Hello guys, welcome to my channel. There is a big update coming in. The custodies of the personal assistant and personal secretary of former Home Minister of Maharashtra Mr. Anil Deshmukh have been given an extension till 6th of July. Both Kundan Shinde and Sanjeev Palande have been remanded in ED custody for 5 days. Both will have to remain in ED custody until July 6. Kundan Shinde and Sanjeev Palande were arrested 5 days ago in response to the statements given by Sachin Waze and the bar owners. The two accused were produced in the court again today. Initially, the ED had asked the court to remand the two in custody for 7 days, but now the custody of the accused has been extended till 5 days. ED has said that Sanjeev Palande and Kundan Shinde are middlemen. Also, rupees 4 crore were to go to former Home Minister of Maharashtra Anil Deshmukh. The money was coming in cash, the ED said. ED also said that Palande and Shinde were not cooperating with the inquiry and said they did not know Sachin Waze. ED put some electronic evidence in front of them. However, the accused deny that they knew Sachin Waze. Meanwhile, IPS officers were being transferred. ED wants to check the list of transfers. The ED has told the court that it wants to call the transferred IPS police officers for questioning. ED officials have said that they want to check the income tax details of both the accused and what happened to the cash received. Where did the money go? Shockingly, some other ministers have also been named in the transfers of IPS officers. Therefore, the ED had said that it wants to check the list. In the meantime, 10 IPS officers had been transferred and later the transfers were cancelled. Transfers were all of a sudden cancelled. Now, ED wants to investigate further in this matter. Actually, the verdict about the 2 paragraphs about reinstatement of Sachin Waze and transfer posting racket report by Rashmi Shukla in the CBI FIR registered against Anil Deshmukh, it's still pending. The verdict is still pending, but Enforcement Directorate has already established grounds for the furtherance of such investigation to be done, that of transfer posting racket. And it is being proven now after the investigation being done by the Enforcement Directorate that this transfer posting racket runs not only in the Mumbai police but also throughout the Maharashtra police. So the scope of this investigation is going to increase only. So we can expect delivery of justice and cleansing of the system of Maharashtra police. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you.